Welcome to this quick tutorial on using AdNUPay, your new online payment facility inside US. Let's get started. After choosing your desired subjects and generating your assessment in US, you'll see that your enrollment status is still not officially enrolled. Scroll down to the bottom of the assessment form and click Pay via AdNUPay to begin your online payment. You will now be asked to choose how much you want to pay. Option 1 for the full amount. Option 2 for the minimum amount. Option 3 for the custom amount. You choose between Option 1 and Option 2. Select the one that suits your budget, then click Proceed to Payment. We're partnered with Maya as our third-party payment gateway. Please note that your card details are not saved or stored in the system. They are used securely to process the transaction. For debit and credit card payment, we accept Visa, MasterCard, and JCB cards. The Maya service fee is 1.83% of your total enrollment fee plus the anti-fraud fee of 5 pesos. For QR payment, we accept GCash, Maya, or any banks using QRPH. The fixed Maya service fee is 50 pesos, plus again the anti-fraud fee of 5 pesos. Pro tip: use the QR payment method for the cheaper option. After choosing your payment method, enter your contact information, including your phone number and address. You'll notice the Proceed button is disabled. To continue, you need to tick the checkbox, read the terms and conditions, and scroll to the bottom. Then the button will be activated. Please make sure to read before proceeding. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, click Proceed. If you selected debit or credit card, enter your card details now. If you selected QR code, your QR code will appear here. Reminder to always double-check all information to avoid card issues. After that, click Checkout to submit your card details. For some cards, you may be asked to enter a one-time password or OTP to authorize the transaction. Once your payment is processed by Maya, you will be redirected to a confirmation page showing a summary of your transaction. Back in US, your status will now display Officially Enrolled. Congratulations! You will receive 2 emails on your Gbox account, one confirmation from Maya and one acknowledgement receipt from AdNUPay system. Please keep both for your records. Your official invoice from Ateneo de Naga University will be ready in 3 to 5 business days. Thank you. For more inquiries, email us at mis.support@gbox.adnu.edu. PH.